Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will be diving into an incredibly useful function in Microsoft Excel, GoalSeek. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and modeling, and GoalSeek function is perfect for finding the input value needed to achieve a desired outcome. Whether you are a student or a professional, GoalSeek is definitely a function for you. I am going to explain this function with the help of two examples. One is the company profit profile and other is the student marks. So be connected and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the first example. You can see that the scenario is this, that the company has concluded the first 3 quarters and they know their gross sale and the net profit. The company has also set annual net profit goal of $20 lakh. Now the first thing that we have to do is to calculate the net profit of the first quarter. For this purpose, I will write equal 15% into this sales and press enter. So I calculated the net profit of the first quarter. Then I will drag it down to calculate the net profit of the rest of the quarters. So now you can see that we know the net profit of the first 3 quarters. To find out the total annual profit, I am going to write equal and then sum bracket start and add all these quarter profits, close this bracket and press enter. So this is the annual net profit. Now as per condition, the company has set a goal of $20 lakh a net profit. So now if the company want to get this profit, what should be the sale in the fourth quarter? For its calculation, I am going to select the cell of the annual net profit and then go to the data. Under the data tab, I will go to the what if analysis and then select the goal seek. Now this dialog box will open and in this box you can see that the set cell is F8 that is already selected. To value the value that we are going to target, that is 20 lakh. And after this we will select what cell we want to change. That is actually the gross sale in the fourth quarter. So I will select this cell and then press OK. So now you can see that it is calculating and it has calculated the gross sale in the fourth quarter and the net profit as well. Now in this second example, we have the student marks of different subjects. We have the marks of the first 6 subjects, but the marks in biology is missing. And on the basis of the above marks, we have calculated the total marks and the percentage. But we have also set the target marks of 595 and the target percentage of 85. So if we want to get the target marks of 595 instead of 433, how many marks we have to get in the biology subject? For this purpose, I will select the total marks cell and then go to the data tab. Under the data tab, I will go to the what if analysis and select the goal seek. Here the set cell is D12 already selected. I will set the value that is 595 and then by changing the marks of the biology, so I will select this cell and press OK. It is calculating and it has calculated that to get the 595 marks, we must get 90 marks in the subject of biology. Now I will show you how you can target the percentage. For this purpose, first I am going to press Ctrl Z and then I am going to select the cell of this percentage. And then again I have to go to the what if analysis and then select the goal seek. And here the target value is 85%. And by changing the cell is actually the marks in the biology subject and then press OK. So now you can see that again it is telling us if we want to get 85 marks, we must get 90 marks in the subject of biology. That's it for today's video. We have covered the basics of goal seek in Excel and demonstrated how it can help you find the input value needed to reach a desired outcome. As you can see, this function can save you a lot of time and effort to perform complex calculations. So the next time you face with a scenario where you have a target in mind but need to determine the corresponding input value, don't forget about goal seek. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. See you next time.